Tanny Cooks here with another weekly grocery haul. So this week I have some delicious items. I love Cornish game hens. Tyson bread is my favorite. A 2-pack costs between $8 and $9 in my area. I have some cage-free fresh brown eggs. These are large that I always use for my cooking. I also bought a pound of salami meat from my deli. I like to slice this up for my salads, and so I'm also using cucumbers for the pasta salads, English cucumbers. I have this beautiful bell pepper. Let me know if you can taste the difference in sweetness with the ones that have 4 lobes like mine or 3. I also have some grape tomatoes, basically like cherry tomatoes, but more oblong like grapes. I love buying these snipped green beans in the 12-ounce bag because they look prettier and fresher than the ones that you can buy loose at my store anyway. I also have some pre-made Duncan Hines cake frosting. I bake with my young nieces and nephews, so sometimes it's just easier to buy this. I also have some cranberry sauce, jellied cranberry sauce. I don't like how they put their labels upside down, but they say they do that on purpose. So I have some Colby Jack cheese. This is from Food Lion. And I have some milk chocolate morsels. I'm probably going to use these in some kind of dessert recipe soon. I have whole carrots. I like to juice them or grate them up for salads. And I have some Yoplait yogurt in peach and strawberry. It's 150 calories per serving and about 22 grams of sugar, which I might as well just buy ice cream for that nutritional value, but here's the yogurt. So I also have some pickled jalapeno slices. I have a delicious and quick recipe I'm going to make with this that I'll show you very soon. And I love my fruit, and if you've seen my other hauls, you know that I love buying pomegranates. I juice these by hand. It's super simple and easier to get the juice out than using some machine. Other fruit I have are green apples, oranges, and kiwi. I keep bags of yellow onions on hand for seasoning when I cook. I have a gallon of milk, and I have some juice, and I accidentally bought the diet variety, which was not my plan. I picked that up by mistake, so I'll be more careful in the grocery store. These are some box cakes. I will use these when I cook with my young people in my family. Sometimes I use these to make a dump cake if I need a quick dessert to take someplace. These are not the most nutritious, but hey, it is cake, so. I also have chicken wings. These are whole chicken wings, 2 packs. Pretty expensive. Chicken wings now are more expensive than chicken breasts, which is completely mind-blowing to me, but it is what it is, I suppose. And then, of course, in the back, I have a pineapple that you see in almost every haul that I do. I eat them fresh. I put them in smoothies. I can juice them. I make some savory dishes with pineapples as well. And then I have this Bellator. This is a $10 bottle of sparkling wine, Gran Spumante. It's great for mimosas or making punches. I even like to drink it plain. So there we have it. That is my weekly grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.